Samsung unveiled the Galaxy A15 5G back in December 2023, which has become a major force in the entire tech industry because of its dominating features, including a super AMOLED panel, impressive battery life, a Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, and more. It supports a few customization features that let you personalize your phone according to your desire, and comes with time-saving tricks and more. So if you're a Galaxy A15 user, then follow these tips and tricks to get the most out of your phone. These tips would elevate your user experience while using Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Enable swipe gestures. The South Korean-based tech giant is still adhering to its previous navigation buttons on the entire Galaxy series, but the phone's got a hidden gesture-based navigation feature that many of you are unaware of. Here's how to get it. Firstly, launch to Settings and swipe down to Display. Now scroll down to the navigation bar and click on the radio button, placed right with swipe gestures. Now switch off the gesture hint. Afterwards, open More Options to adjust the gesture. Edit Quick Toggles. One UI 6.0 brings a great update to the notification center. It even supports an enlarged panel along with all the relevant quick toggles. It's completely customizable, so users would be able to place the toggles on their preferred place. Now click on the pencil icon and choose the Edit option. Click on the minus icon to separate all the remaining toggles. Scan the available buttons, place them on top, then tap Done. Customize routines. The Galaxy A15 5G handset lets you create routines. It allows you to easily make changes according to your desire and set rules. First, launch to the Settings and swipe down to Modes and Routines and click on Routines. Now select Plus at the top and choose If and Now set a condition and then select Place. Select the radius and choose the timings. Click on Then and set your routine. For example, modify lock screen shortcuts and manipulate SmartThings devices such as switching on and off the lighting, setting up a particular mode, changing notifications, vibrations, and more.